Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Kaku music streaming app. It's pretty useful. I don't use it all the time, and I actually don't have it installed on this desktop, but I use it on my laptop sometimes. And we're going to go over the Ubuntu installation because most people are using Ubuntu. I would go over the Flatpak installation if there was a Flatpak option, but there's not. So let's go ahead and copy this command, open up a terminal, and download the latest release from GitHub. And installation command, let's copy that to the clipboard. So once it's done downloading, you can just add the install command and enter your password. It's going to install everything it needs to run. And, that should be it. Now we can close that and we can go open up Kaku. Now, this app is hit and miss sometimes because it's under development, but it works. So now if you want to listen to music, all you got to do is find a song and it will play it. And since the default is YouTube, I believe, it will just play directly from YouTube. And I don't know who this is really. I think the region is okay. Well, it is set to the United States, but it plays music here. I have it muted for copyright reasons, but you can listen to music from YouTube, and you can also switch it to other searchers. So if you want to listen to SoundCloud, you can select SoundCloud. You can go back to home, and you can type in like one of my favorite bands, Ashbury Heights. They're from Sweden. There might be some remixes on here on SoundCloud. I can click on it and it will play directly from SoundCloud, which is pretty awesome, honestly. If you listen to a lot of SoundCloud stuff, something that I would highly recommend. And you can also create playlists, which I will go over now. All you got to do is click Add Playlist. Name your new playlist. Let's go Favorite SoundCloud Songs. Then you just find a song, add to the playlist, and let's add some other ones. And then you can go to your playlist and you can just play the music from there. So, and it's that easy. Kaku's really nice. If you use a lot of streaming, you don't want to sub to Spotify or whatever. You can get stuff from SoundCloud, Mixcloud, YouTube. Really useful. I really like the app. I think it's pretty cool. Under development, so like I said, you might come into some bugs, but that's okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to use Kaku. I will see you in the next video.